How to sell food on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to create or sell food stalls or food products inside of TikTok Shop. So over here, as you can see, on our TikTok Seller Center, simply navigate to your products over here on the left side. After that, click on Add New Product. In this page, simply enter or input the necessary information, like the product image, and then after that, very important, two parts are the product name and the product category. So over here, it's very important to be able to select the specific category, especially when it comes to food, since TikTok is a bit strict with that since food is perishable. So over here, navigate and search for food. There are different types of food over here, like food beverages, pantry food, baking, stuff like that. Make sure that you're selecting the specific category to allow people to be able to identify your product much easier and much more. It will allow TikTok to better make it more efficient to sell your product. So after that, simply submit it for review and you will be able to have your product be sold on TikTok Shop. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.